Okay, so today was my appointment at the Lymphoedema clinic. And this is the one I wasn't looking forward to. This is knowing I had to wear these compression tights for a year. It's really scared me. And it wasn't really just wearing the compression tights. It's what lymphedema does to your body, what it means, the long-term effects of it. You know, I've been a remedial massage therapist for over 20 years, and I've treated people with lymphedema, and it's not nice. So yeah, when I knew this was happening, the 2-year-old in me had a temper tantrum, but I got my head around it. And so today we're at the lymphedema clinic. I felt better. She was so lovely, the girl. They're so clever these days with the things they've got. So I stood on a machine that measured the fluid in my body, and I've got a really good base to start with. There's a graph that shows you where it can be really quite bad, and the starting point. My base starting point's really low. Obviously, after surgery, it will spike and then it'll come down, but it'll give us an idea on expectation and where we go in. And I'll just have to keep a close eye, probably forever. But I know what I need to do physically, and I also know what I need to do mentally. What we want to do is to get the lymph to redirect, to create a new pathway. So it goes of where I'm having all these lymph nodes taken out, the lymph can find a new pathway. The risks, obviously, the lymph carries fluid around the body. It's a transport system, and it also gets rid of all the toxins and gunk. So it's going to be in my tissues more risk of getting infections. I'm more at risk of, sorry, my husband's cooking out there. He's making noises. More at risk of blood clots and DVT. So that'll always be there now. I'm just getting my head around all of that. Self-image. I'm not going to be able to. Will I ever get into my tight jeans again? Who knows? I don't know. But then again, we don't know what the next 5 minutes holds. I'll just have to adapt and see how it goes. I'm sure I'll have good days and bad days, and that's okay. What else did I want to say to you? Yeah, these bloody compression tights are sort of, yeah, it is what it is. Wear them all day, from thigh all the way down, and take them off only at night. Lymphedema can come on slowly. It can start years after the surgery. So I'll always be on the lookout now, and always have to take care of that particular area of my body. And, some people this my personal friends and family now, some of you are still not understanding what's going on. So when I had breast cancer, I had breast cancer, and I had 2 cancers. One was in the duct, and one was what we call invasive because it had come out of the duct. Back then, I had a sentinel node biopsy in the lymph nodes in my armpit to see if the cancer had spread, and it hadn't. And so it was brilliant. And so it sort of indicated what the treatment was after the surgery, and I had radiation. I didn't need chemo. The difference with this cancer is the cancer wasn't found until it was in the lymph. So it's in the lymph nodes, but we can't find the original cancer. We can't find what they call the primary. Nobody can. We've looked, we've searched. Everybody's been looking at my private parts, my genitals, my anus, everywhere. We can't find it. The only indication is a little scratch thing that was on my foot that was really itchy and red when I was in the UK in August. Has some cells in, but the doctors don't think it's the primary, but they're going to cut it out anyway. So that's where I'm at. It's what we call an unknown primary. This is why I've got to have this surgery to remove the cancer that we have got before it spreads. If you've got any questions about that, if you're reading or listening, maybe months or years from now, and you're curious, or it's your story and you just want to know more, just drop me a message and we can connect. My only intention of doing this recording is for you out there to give you hope and inspire you. When I was searching, and all I could find was all doom and gloom. Lots of reports and stuff. But I was looking for a personal story, something that could help me understand what to expect and all the ups and downs and what's, just something to settle me. So I can't tell you what the journey's like yet because I've not got there. I'm at the early stages, but up to now, I'm okay. And I was really quite worried about this whole wearing the compression tights thing for a year and the risks of lymphedema. Having gone to the clinic today, I feel better. Being reassured that I'm going to be able to run again was a big plus. And also being able to try to fly. I thought I might be a long time before I could fly, but she's like, what you're talking about? Once you recover, once you get over the initial recovery, then there's no reason why you can't. So thank you. So that's where we're at right now. I'll go for my surgery on the 4th of December, Monday, the 4th of December, which is just less than 3 weeks from now. So you probably won't hear from me until then. I'll be in the hospital for a week. If I'm up to it, I'll connect from there and let you know what's going on and what the drains are like and what the food's like and how I'm feeling. If not, it'll be when I get home, when I'm a little bit more comfortable at home. But until then, keep smiling, and any questions, reach out, and I'll see you soon. Bye.